Oh, there you are. Micah and Soph, will you scoot in a little bit so I can actually see you? Thanks. Unless Soph is sick. Then don't do that. That was necessary. Yes, it was. To excite you. Or confuse you. Or otherwise engage you. Did you just Snapchat that, Brady? Brady.
I was laughing at someone.
Oh. What are the things that we need to know? Lost that paper. All right. Well, here we go. This is Bob.
Instrumental. Anything else? I see now.
Ooh. Ah, kill.
Thanks.
This doesn't mean anything on its own. If I sign light and then show that it's going off, that's a classifier. So it's an elemental classifier in this case. Now, if I said, now this same hand shape just became it became an octopus, but what kind of classifier? My hand became the octopus, so it is a semantic. Yep. You said descriptive. Maybe it could be descriptive because you're showing how the octopus is moving. But I would.
But that's not a look. That's how
Right.
it's. That's like what it.
I would say SCL because my hand becomes the thing.
Because is that the
So-
sign for octopus itself?
Yeah, that's squid.
I love squid.
Oh, you were pointing at. Okay. What's jellyfish? Is it the same thing?
Oh, yeah. You can sign this one. Don't get this hand involved.
I almost thought it was past 2:00.
Siri, did I answer your question? I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, there's one more class. Well, actually, there's two more classifiers. I'm gonna go over that in a second, Siri. And I'm gonna give you the last one. What is that? Body part.
Oh, I thought it was D.
Okay.
What?
Knee.
What was the last one? It was body and
What?
parts.
Body part classifier.
BCL or what?
No. I kind of teach animals throughout just because I tell so many stories, I feel like. Yeah.
What is body classifier? Is that what your body?
Yeah.
Body describes.
Maybe I should. Okay. So we've got LCL, location, shows where. ICL, instrumental, how to use it. DCL, descriptive, what it looks like. ECL, elemental, so you're showing how these move and act and influence other things. SCL, semantic, your hand becomes the thing. BCL, your body, you act it out, so your body actually becomes that thing. Whole entire body. So if I'm showing how my cat is moving and I'm actually like, that's body classifier. Body part classifier, your hand becomes a different part of your body. So foot, boom. That's a body part classifier. So Siri, to answer your question, what's going to be on the test tomorrow? It's going to be matching for this part. So all of them will be on the test,
Yeah.
but they will be matching. Okay. But actually, let's
No
really
expansions.
quickly.
There are expansions or no?
Yes, there are going to be expansions. What'd you say, Micah?
Are we gonna go over those or should I?
Yeah, we're going to go. No. Sentences will not be. for your classifiers, however, we're going to use the book definitions, not my short and sweet little definitions. So let me read these real quick, if I can find them. What? Okay. Descriptive classifier. A sign used to describe an object. That's pretty straightforward. LCL. A sign representing an object in a specific place. That one's pretty straightforward because it's location, place, location. Semantic. Sign representing a category of nouns such as a vehicle or person. So that's kind of what we talked about last year. So vehicle, car, you would represent it like this. Bus, you'd still represent it like this. Truck, represented like this. Motorcycle, like this. So it's a semantic group. So that's the way that one is described. I might add a little something to that one because we haven't really, if you didn't have me last year, then you wouldn't know that. Body classifier. Sign in which the body enacts the verb of the sentence. Whoa, that one's pretty straightforward. Instrumental classifier, sign in which part of the body, usually the hands, manipulates an object. So how it's used. BPCL, sign representing a specific part of the body. So literally part, body part is in the definition. PCL we haven't talked about, so that will not be on there. And element classifier, representing an element of the earth. So these are pretty straightforward too. But those longer definitions will be on the test, so don't let those throw you off. Okay, but as long as you can read through it and kind of pick it apart, you'll be good. All right, let's talk about our expansions. What do we have? Reiteration, something at the beginning, blah, 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 and the same thing at the end. What else? Couching, which is finger spell, describe. Fast sitting, which is showing the parts. So movie, go to, sit, watch, eat. What? Contrasts. Whoa. Ding. Opposites, yep. So we've got 4. What do we need? Describe, then do. Describe, do. That one's literally just like
Wait, what's the last one?
describe, then do. So I could say, last night, dinner, me make, and then I would go into like,
Oh, okay.
and then I would actually just do a body classifier for my do part. What else? What? Oh, listing. How many items do you need to list? 3 things. And last but not least,
At least.
3D, which is rule shift. Okay, so role shifting is something that you guys have been working on since ASL 1. So you guys should have that pretty down pat, am I right?
Crunchy crots.
Do you guys need to go over any vocab? Any vocab? So this unit, we haven't really, the only vocab that we've had this unit is the transitional words. So wrong, overlook, and not see. Other than that, because I'm not testing your vocabulary, I'm testing, like, can you understand my classifiers and what's going on? If there's something that you're stuck on and you don't know the vocabulary word, you can ask. Well, not ask, but you need a sign and means what? And I will tell you. Means. Yep. So, battery,
Electricity is just
electricity,
battery.
battery.
Okay.
Yep. Well, since tomorrow is our test and we might not have time, do you guys have any other Siri? Oh, I've never seen that for battery. I use that for medicine. Oh, interesting. I've never seen it used for battery. I've always seen it for medicine, but no, I mean there's so many signs that are regional. Like, you guys know the difference between this sign in Michigan and all the other states?
I still don't know what that is. What is that?